I have here some Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow singles. These aren't really in circulation anymore, though you may be able to still find them somewhere. These originally were released a while ago. Here is the packaging. Nocturnal Cat Eyes to Hypnotize, and there were 3 different colors. This is the Huntress, a bronzy dark gold shade. Here we have this darkened blue. This has a black base to it. This one is called Midnight Seduction. And then the last dark silver is called Silver Leopard. When I use these, I tend to use just a single color, and I'll blend it all over the eye for the most effortless smoky eye you could possibly imagine. Finish it off with some dark eyeliner. This one you could wear a dark brown with. Definitely recommend black for these two. And you'll have the most beautiful smoky eye with a single color. Just look at those close up. These are really gorgeous. Nice big pans. And let's share some swatches. That is a darkened gold bronzy color. That is a darkened blue. This is actually, if I recall correctly, the first blue eyeshadow that Charlotte Tilbury ever made. And then here is the silver one, which is my favorite. It's nice, dark, shimmery silver. Very, very beautiful.